Hello guys, today I will show you how to get your referral link on Amazon. First of all, you need to sign up here on Amazon Associates to see what clicks do you have on that specific product. After that, you need to go here on Amazon, log in with your Associates account, and let's say that right now you want to promote this phone here. You need to go here on this tab, Amazon Associates Site Stripe, click on text and copy this referral link. This link is your referral link, so if you want to promote it, you can put this link on your social media platform, your website, your blogs, etc. So that's it guys. Hope that this video will help you and see you next time.